Hey everybody, I am David Wilson, Managing Principal of FundUuP, and welcome to this segment of Ask the Funder. Ask the Funder is when I answer questions that come in from folks on social media and through our website about funding. Different types of funding we have, different ways we fund, who we fund, how we fund, why we fund, who's not fundable, any types of questions like that. So at FundUuP, we are a funding company. We help small, mid-sized businesses get funding, both secured and unsecured, when traditional bank financing is not available. That typically means there's a challenge in one of three areas: either a challenge with credit, a challenge with collateral, either there's not enough collateral, there's no collateral, or there's something wrong with the collateral, or a challenge with time, either time in business or time in which the funds are needed. So on this episode of Ask the Funder, the question that we're going to address is about multiple short-term loans that some businesses have. So we provide that type of short-term funding. Sometimes businesses will have multiple short-term loans back to back to back to back to back to back to back. Sometimes, as many as the most I've seen is 9 back to 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 back. These short-term loans. A lot of these loans have weekly payments or daily payments. So the question that comes in is, can FundUuP help my business if we have multiple short-term loans? Can you help me lower that daily payment, reduce that payment, and make it easier for me to satisfy my obligations? And the answer to that question is an absolute yes. That is an absolute yes. That is something we can do. So a lot of businesses are under the impression that it's too late when you have multiple loans, and it's not. So we have a product that will help you reduce that daily payment, and in effect consolidate, or very similar to a refinance in the residential real estate space. So, for example, one example of a business we've helped recently to consolidate. They had 6 short-term daily payment loans back to back. So every single day, they were being charged an average of $400. So 4 times 6, $2,400. That's $2,400 per day that they were responsible for paying. So with our product, we were able to consolidate that into one payment and reduce their daily payment by $1,000. Okay, so we go from 6 $400 payments at $2,400, reduce it by $1,000 a day. So we're returning $5,000 to that business every week back to their bottom line. Now they still are responsible for paying on their loans, but we've made it a lot easier for them to repay, and because we've lowered their daily payment every day by $1,000, and that's a huge relief to a small business. So instead of $2,400 a day, they're paying $1,400 a day, a lot less. So now they're able to use that money for other things. Sometimes they'll make extra payments to kind of catch up or move ahead, take advantage of supplier discounts, use that money to to grow. Keep it on hand as working capital, and grow. So that's really how it works, and it's that simple. So if your business or a business that you know of has gotten kind of caught up underneath multiple short-term, sometimes you'll hear the term merchant cash advance, MCA. You'll hear the term short-term loan. We can help. So send them our way. If you want to get pre-qualified, and you think that you should see that scrolling at the bottom there. So just go to our website, www.funduup.com. Click the big red rectangle up in the right corner. It says get pre-qualified now. Tell us your story. Let's start the conversation. No judgment zone here. So we're here to help you. Give us the information we need, and we'll see what we can do. It doesn't matter if you have 2 or 3 or even 9. So that's the most I've ever seen, and we were still able to help them. So that's it. That's how it works. So again, the question: can you help businesses with multiple cash advances with daily payments? And the answer is yes. Just contact us here at FundUuP. Again, just go to www.funduup.com. Get pre-qualified now. Click the rectangle in the upper right-hand corner. Get pre-qualified now, and that's how you get started. You can also message me directly. I'm available on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter. I feel like I'm missing one. And we're also, FundUuP is also available on Instagram, on Facebook, on LinkedIn. So you can, pretty easy to find. And we're happy to start the conversation. If you have any questions, let us know that as well. And we'd be happy to see how we can help. Again, I am David Wilson, Managing Principal of FundUuP. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Ask the Funder. We help small and mid-sized businesses get funding, both secured and unsecured, when traditional bank financing is not available. Wherever you are seeing this, if you know a business who can benefit from what we're providing, share this video with them. Share the video, like it, send it, email it, tweet it, what have you. We're here to help as many businesses as possible move forward, no matter what stage they're in. Hey, we're here to help. So thanks for watching, and until next time, you have a marvelous day. Thanks very much. David Wilson, Managing Principal of FundUuP. Thank you.